In this video, I'm just going to show you how to link AI content together for maximum SEO impact. So I was using ChatGPT to write an article. an entire SEO article by giving this as a prompt. Now you can pause this video and copy that. But yeah, since the Arvo AI SEO Writer came, I have been stopped using this. So what this domain is, it's an AI SEO writer. So rank on Google and get cited by ChatGPT without manual work, and you can absolutely try it for free. The link will be in the description. So I'm going into the dashboard, and once I'm in my dashboard, you will see many options right here. So you don't have to worry about it. I have explained everything in a single video. You can check that out. The link will be in the description. With that said, click on SEO article and then you input a keyword right here, and it's just gonna take you to the generations page. And once you hit the generate article, it's just gonna take you to the article page, and here you can view an entire article and you can also change it. So that's how you do it. By the way, the link will be in the description or pin the comment. Check that. This is absolutely free. You can try it out.